and we're gonna go
In the frame.
250, 500, 750, 1,000 in order. All right, let's take a shot at 250. Let's shoot that square plate on the far right and see how we're doing. Okay. Perfect tag. Boom. Let's shoot at 500. There you go. There's 500. Good job. Good tag. Here you go. More. That's right there at 500. Bing. 500. Okay, 750. There you go. Good tag. Got it. All right. Okay. That's 3 down.
Although don't hold.
Yeah. Come down.
Up and there you go. Beautiful. You just did 4 for 4 from 250 to 1,000. Now what do you want to hit? Hey, go to 500 and shoot that little bitty target.
You mean like the 4-inch one?
See that little one right there? Right there. That guy. That's a 3-inch disc at 500 yards. That was 1,000, and that was at 500 yards at a 3-inch target, so that's not too bad. Okay.